I've been reading a lot about insulation lately, and I've noticed that it goes by a number of different names, no matter the industry, whether it's aerospace, military, defense, racing, automotive. Insulation is sometimes called thermal insulation, thermal coating, thermal barrier coating, heat barrier, heat shielding, and that's just the short list related to insulation against heat and flame. There are, of course, plenty more related to insulation against extreme cold temperatures. And of course, we can't forget acoustic insulation. But for now, I'm just focusing on the heat. And when it comes to heat, the trend is clearly that things are getting hotter. Which makes sense because as technology advances, there are more and more heat generating components and systems that are being used. Dealing with issues of insulation is not brand new. In fact, we designed this part for Learjet back in 1993. They were designing the Lear 45 and they had a ducting tube that was 800 degrees and ran directly through an avionics cabinet where everything melted at 200 degrees. And over this 90 thousandths, we got a 600 degree temperature delta, or this valve cover that we made for UTC, which is only 50 thousandths thick. This was designed for a fire test where the outside burn was 2000 degrees, but the inside had to stay below 300 degrees over a 15-minute burn. On this part, the ID never went over 280. So if you're looking for insulation solutions, here are a few pointers. 1, look for a material that helps with noise reduction as well. 2, make sure the material meets your temperature requirements. 3, consider whether or not you need the material to be fire resistant. 4, select a material that has good durability and has a long life. 5, factor in whether the material has to be electrically conductive or not. And number 6, see if you can find a material that has the extra bonus of being able to absorb vibration. What have your biggest challenges with insulation been? Please let me know in the comments below.